When you have your CPS database open and you would like to engage the students in a lesson, you will need to click on the Engage tab. When you open the Engage tab, you'll see that you have 3 sub-tabs: Lessons and Assessments, Team Activities, and Attendance. And then what you want to do to be able to see your lessons is you'll have to expand the list of the database. Once you've expanded your list of lessons, you'll need to select a lesson to actually practice with. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select the lesson Fractions. Once you've selected the lesson Fractions by clicking in the checkbox next to it, it gives you more options. You'll see that the title is Fractions on the ribbon, and the type of lesson that we're doing is class participation, and that for the class period that I've selected, it's currently 7th to 8th period. I need to change my assessment setup, so on the ribbon I'll need to select Assessment Setup. I'm going to choose to have a teacher-led assessment, and then I'm going to click on Engage. After you click Engage, a small window will appear that says the CPS is scanning for receivers. Please wait. One of the things you need to remember is if you do not have your eInstruction CPS unit plugged into your machine, it will keep scanning and scanning and scanning trying to find those receivers, and it will take a while. So that's something you want to make sure you are aware of before you try to engage in a lesson. So this is what a teacher-led lesson looks like. Basically what I have right now is I have 35 clickers displaying. They're a light blue color. When a student responds, it'll change from light blue to a dark blue to show that they've already answered a question. They can't answer a question, though, unless you click Start, which I kind of love because the kids get super excited and they want to start putting their answers in immediately because they like to race each other. And they are sitting there like, you'll see them slamming their finger onto the clicker and they don't understand why the color's not changing, and you have to tell them, I haven't hit Start yet. And so it's fun just to kind of wait, just to annoy them. After you've given the kids all a chance to respond, to go to the next question, all you have to do is use the arrow button next to current question number 1 on the right-hand side, and that'll take you to question number 2. So again, to have your students move forward to the next question, you would have to hit the, well actually technically I guess that's a greater than symbol button, but the moving forward button. If you wanted to, if you found the current question number 3 area at the bottom of the screen annoying, you can actually have it shift it and move it to the top by checking that box to the right hand side of the current question. So that's how you move the current question number to the top, and that's basically what it is to engage your own lesson. And so we're going to go ahead and click End because we're done. It will ask you if you truly want to end your lesson, just to make sure in case a kid screams, wait, I didn't get to answer that question, miss. It's a little kind of catch just to make sure you get that in. So if you feel confident that your kids have all answered their questions, you can go ahead and tell it yes. And now you're back to your main screen.